Hello everyone. So today we are going to train our model and we are going to save it in a file. So let's go and check it out that what is going to do. So this is we are going to train a model. I have written the code already. Okay, so you have to just go. Link will be in the description. Just go there and access this collab file. You can get it. Okay, so this is the code sklearn.pipeline. Okay, so you not need this pipeline thing. Okay, you don't need this. Okay, now so from sklearn pre-processing, what we are going to do, we are actually going to make the ocean proximity. That is actually a string value in the numerical value. Okay, so that is the thing. And after that, we are going to just have a model, linear regression model. For the model, we have to just write, we have to just import from the scikit-learn a linear model. Like from the linear model, we need to get the linear regression and just define it as a function and like not function. It is like regression is equal to linear regression, and you have to just fit it. Okay, so this is our data and this is our label. So it has fitted it, and you can see here it has made a model now. So you can now have a prediction of the housing and you can just print it. Okay, so just write it, housing predictions. Okay, let's have a look. These are some predictions. Okay, these are some predictions. So now let's check the score. That what is the score? A score is something that how much your model is right. So that is the score. So score is our 63%. Like if you multiply it with 100. Okay, so it is 63%, 64%. Our model is good. Okay, we'll be improving it more. So let's see further. So now you can just see the RMSE loss. RMSE loss. What the RMSE loss does. So let's check it out. RMSE loss, and this is the formula. Guys, yes. Open the image. Yeah. So this is the formula. This is root. So this is RMSE. Error. What is the error? Error is like how much it is deviating from the actual point. So that is the error thing. So this is error. Okay, like this is maybe the predicted minus real. And then what we are going to do, a square of this whole thing. And then what we are going to do, mean. Taking the mean, just dividing by the number of the points. Okay, so we are dividing by the n, and we are we are summing it up. So that is the whole mean. And after that, we are putting a root. So that is the root mean square, and it actually tells you like how much the values are deviating. Okay, so just maybe there will be a graph, linear. Let's see. Okay, this is the graph. You can see like this is how much you are deviating from the actual value. This is the actual line. Okay, and no, not this is the predicted line. This is the linear regression line, and these points are actual lines. So this is actually calculating the distance. Like this is the distance, this is the distance, and we are uh, just putting it in the RMSE formula and finding the RMSE loss. So that is clear, I hope. So that is you don't have to actually do it manually. This is you can do from the code, and from the code you can just get the mean squared error, and you have to make it false. Okay, so that is the mean squared error that will be calculated actually RMSE. Okay, so this is for the RMSE loss. So this was the thing about RMSE. Now, like RMSE loss is almost 69%. It is the loss. No, not 69%. It is 69,187. That is too much loss, guys. So for the minimizing it, we are going to use our decision tree regression. So let's choose it. And after using the decision tree regressor, we'll be seeing like how much the accuracy is improving. So let's see about the what is the decision tree regressor. Okay, so let's have a look here. So you have to actually search the things which I am telling you. Like you have to you can also search about the mean squared error and why it is squared false. Okay, you can see here mean squared error. So it actually does the mean square error, but we want root mean square error. So that's why we are making the square false. Okay, okay, although squared is deprecated. Okay, let's focus on the decision tree regressor. So it is actually measure the quality of a split and these all things are there. You can have a look here. Okay, so basically we are using decision tree and here we have defined it decision tree regressor and we are going to fit housing and housing levels. And now it has trained our model. Yes. Then we have just predicted it. Okay. So I'm just copying it and paste it, and we'll be seeing that how the prediction is. So this is the prediction. Now what we are going to see now we are finding that this decision tree RMSE value, and the RMSE value is actually zero. Yes, it is nothing, not a error. It is actually that it has predicted similar values because actually we are now testing on the training data. That's why it is giving 0%. Okay, so let's have a score. Okay, let's have a score of decision tree. Fine. So yeah, just let's look on the score. So score is one. One means 100%, guys. So this is amazing. And if you really like this, please hit the like button. This is going. This is the awesome video. You can see that how decision work is actually giving us a best model out there. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to actually save its model. Like for every time, you can't just run all this node. Just see how long this code is. Just see this thing, guys. So better to have a small model. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are just going to um, save this file. So let's save it. Okay, so from the job lib, we are actually getting a file. So here you will be clicking and you can get see here. This is the California housing model. Okay, you have to just download it. And after downloading, you can see here the pickle file is there. So you can use it for the further inferences. If you want to take any inference from the model, you can just get it. Okay, you just see about the job lib. Okay, job lib save model or a skill learn. Okay, just search skill learn. So I hope this was very much clear for you. Like this is the model persistent. So so you can see here import pickle and pickle is dumping and saving it. Okay. So you can see here you can load it also. Okay. You have to load it, load the model so that you can use it. And like there are two things, saving and loading. So this was all the guys. Other thing was, and this is the chapter one of hands-on machine learning with Scikit-Learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. Next, next we are going to actually see the classification thing. Okay. So if you really like this video, then we are just coming up with the classification chapter 3 in a very less time. We are coming with it. So keep studying and have this book. I will recommend to have this book. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys.